This doesn't feel like her. This doesn't feel like I'm holding a dog.
I miss her so much. Her bark.
Her big butt.
Her chicken nugget oven.
Do people have dog funerals? Like, give dog eulogies? Or am I just being ridiculous?
I wouldn't even know what to say. I didn't want to say goodbye. I'm so thirsty.
No. That's the wrong bottle. I told you this would happen. Why are you wearing a bidet bottle around your neck?
You like chicken wings, right?
Yes.
So when you eat chicken wings, they don't just give you napkins. They give you wet naps, right? Because when you eat those honey butt full of barbecue wings, you don't want to just smear it all over your hands. You need the wet naps.
Well, look, I get all that, but why do you have to wear it around your neck? It's weird.
You know I'm right.
Why did she have to die?
I have an idea. What if we take Stitch on one last walk?
And leave a bit of Stitch in each of our favorite places?
That's why I fucking love you.
This is why I fucking love you. My cutie little pickle boy. Come here.
Can you start unpacking? I'll help you in a sec.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, bud. We just gotta finish unpacking, and then I'm gonna take you for a nice long walk, okay?
Oh, Cory.
Yeah?
Nicole wants to have dinner tonight.
Are you kidding me? We just spent all weekend with her.
She's my best friend, Cory. I can't leave her out of things. How would you like to be left out of things?
Is that an option, or?
Oh, she's bringing her new boyfriend, too.
Look, I'm tired. We just spent like 6 hours in the car, and I could really use a nap. Maybe some downtime to recharge my batteries. You know how a car needs gas? I need sleep.
Oh, she said that she found this really amazing ramen place, too.
I fucking hate fish soup.
Cory Patrick Willis, you're acting like a child.
No. Oh.
Also, I can tell that you're upset. It's not fish soup. You just made a mistake one time, and that happens sometimes. But guess what, bud?
What?
I think they have chicken nuggets, too.
Okay, I know. I'm sorry. I just... Do you really think they're gonna have nuggies?
Yeah.
Remember when she took the biggest shit ever at this tree?
It was fucking huge.
She left a little bit of her shit here every day. So it seems right that we drop some of her ashes here too, right?
One final shit?
One final shit.
Hey, that's Stitch's friend she'd always bark at on walks.
We should let them say bye to each other.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Hello.
Hey there, buddy.
Hi, honey.
His name is Pickles.
I love that name.
Hey, Pickles. We just wanted to come by and let you say bye to your friend.
Hi. Hello? Hello. Why are you rolling around on the ground with my dog?
Oh, God. I'm sorry. I'm Jinny. This is my husband, Rohit. Oh, we're your neighbors. Our dogs used to bark at each other on walks. Oh, God. Rohit.
We've always admired your dog from a distance.
Maybe we maintained some of that distance?
Oh, he's harmless, I swear. Let me handle it. Oh, would you mind? Hey, bud. Yeah. This is not a good look. Okay, if you could see yourself right now. Oh, God, it's so cute. I know, it's cute. Resist. If you could just see yourself right now, it's not good. Put the dog down and let's keep going on our walk, okay?
He's my perfect pickle boy.
No, he's my perfect pickle boy. He's our dog. Can you please give him back?
Okay, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take the dog from you and put him on the ground, okay? On 3.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3!
Oh, God, Stitch! Oh, God, Stitch!
What's a stitch?
Wait, is this your dog?
It was our dog until you fucking LeBron James her.
No. Oh, is this tap water or?
That was the wrong bottle!
She did warn me about this earlier.
Warned you about what?
It's a bidet bottle.
What? No, you motherfucker. I swear. Who wears a fucking bidet bottle around their neck? What's sick? That's sick.
See, Jinny, this is exactly why we need to promote more awareness. He has no idea.
No.
What do you think? I put this in my butt? What are you, that stupid? Okay, and if I'm being quite honest, I find myself not being able to clean myself in, public situations.
What? Why are you telling us this?
Awareness!
Just use paper, you weird psycho.
Have you ever tried to clean a chicken wing?
What are you talking about?
Rohit, he's not worth it. Don't give in to his energy.
You know what, Jinny? You're right. Fuck him and his dirty ass.
Hey, he's got a great ass.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here.
That was crazy.
I know, right? Like, if you could walk around with a clean ass or dirty ass, why would you walk around with a dirty ass?
No, I mean, everything about that was crazy.
But the bidet stuff especially, right? Right, Pickles?
Jesus Christ, you took their dog?
You took their dog.
Rohit?
Okay. I took their dog.
You took the wrong dog.
I love him.
I do too, but we gotta go. Come on, Pickles.
Pickles?
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 Pickles!
Pickle.
Hey, man. Sorry I took your dog. It's kind of like a heat of the moment, crime of passion kind of thing. You know what I'm talking about. Hey, Jinny, give this family their dog back. Jin?
I'm doing it. It'll be okay.
We got one last walk to go on, all right? So I gotta get these ashes back.
What?
I'm so sorry. I don't even know your name.
It's Cory.
What is that? Short for coriander?
No, it's not short for anything.
Look, man, I never lost a dog before. I honestly, today's been really messy, okay?
Yeah.
When I saw your dog, it reminded me of how much we loved our dog.
What? What's this?
She was the funniest dog I've ever met. Honestly, she's hilarious. She's all over this guy. She doesn't even know him.
That's what I want to say in the eulogy. I feel so much better now. Oh, thank you.
I think we should do a group hug.
No, I don't. Yeah, this feels good.
Cory, you like chicken wings, right?
Nicole and her boyfriend will be here in 2 minutes.
You know, because why would you want to walk around dirty? You could be clean.